Hey there! In this video, we're diving into everything you need to know about OBD2 trouble code P0171, also known as System 2 Lean Bank 1. First things first, let's break down what the P0171 code actually is. This code gets triggered when the engine control module receives an input signal from the oxygen sensor, also called the air-fuel ratio sensor, indicating that the air-fuel mixture has been running too lean for an extended period of time, typically about 20 consecutive seconds. Now let's talk specifics. A lean mixture means too much air and insufficient fuel in the combustion process. When this happens on Bank 1, the ECM flags it as a problem and triggers the P0171 trouble code. Now let's learn what is Bank 1. In engines with multiple cylinder banks, like V6 or V8 engines, you'll have two sides or banks of cylinders. Bank 1 typically refers to the side of the engine where cylinder 1 is located, and Bank 2 is on the opposite side. If you want to read more about any other OBD2 codes, you can visit our website obdcode.org for a full list of codes and their meanings. Now, let's dive into the details of why P0171 gets triggered. To understand this, we need to talk about how your car's engine monitors and controls the air-fuel mixture. In a fully functional system, the upstream oxygen sensor measures the amount of oxygen in the exhaust gases as they leave the engine. This real-time data helps the PCM adjust the air-fuel mixture for optimal performance. For gasoline engines, the ideal air-fuel ratio is 14.7 parts air to 1 part fuel. This is known as the stoichiometric ratio. When the mixture is at this ratio, combustion is efficient and emissions are minimized. But when the oxygen sensor detects that the air-fuel ratio is greater than 14.7 to 1, meaning there's too much air or too little fuel in the mixture, the PCM interprets this as a lean condition. If this lean condition persists for about 20 consecutive seconds, the PCM triggers the P0171 code, indicating that the system on Bank 1 is running too lean. Now, where exactly is the P0171 sensor located? The P0171 sensor, also known as the oxygen sensor or air-fuel ratio sensor, is generally located in the exhaust system, upstream of the catalytic converter on Bank 1. This sensor position can vary slightly depending on your vehicle's make and model, but it's usually found near the exhaust manifold. Now that we understand what P0171 means and where the sensor is located, let's cover how to reset it. Sometimes error codes like P0171 appear due to recent maintenance or temporary glitches, and they may clear up after an OBD2 reset. To do this, you'll need an OBD2 scanner. If you don't have one, check out the link in the description for the best scanners out there. Simply connect the scanner to your vehicle, follow the instructions to clear the trouble codes, and see if the P0171 code reappears. If the P0171 code reappears, it's time to look into some common root causes of P0171. Let's discuss some common root causes of the P0171 error code. The first cause is faulty oxygen sensor. Sometimes the oxygen sensor itself may fail due to wear or contamination. The next cause is faulty oxygen sensor heater circuit. Oxygen sensors need to reach a specific temperature to work effectively, which is why many have an integrated heater. A faulty heater circuit can prevent the sensor from reaching optimal operating temperature, resulting in incorrect readings. The third cause is defective sensor wiring or circuit problems. Issues like a blown fuse, broken wires, or poor connections in the oxygen sensor circuit can disrupt the signal to the ECU, causing the P0171 code. The fourth cause is exhaust system leaks. A leak in the exhaust system can allow extra oxygen to enter, causing the sensor to misread a lean condition. The fifth cause is vacuum leaks. Vacuum leaks are another common cause of P0171. When unmetered air enters the system, it disrupts the air-fuel ratio, causing a lean condition. The sixth cause is a malfunctioning mass airflow sensor. The mass airflow sensor measures the amount of air entering the engine. If it malfunctions, it can send incorrect data to the PCM, leading to improper air-fuel mixture adjustments. The seventh cause is clogged fuel filter. A clogged fuel filter restricts the flow of fuel to the engine, making it harder for the system to maintain the correct air-fuel ratio. Over time, this can lead to a lean condition and trigger the P0171 code. The last cause is clogged fuel injectors. Over time, fuel injectors can accumulate deposits that restrict the flow of fuel into the combustion chamber. When this happens, the engine may not receive enough fuel, which disrupts the air-fuel ratio, causing the engine to run lean.